Searching for the best predator calls feels like wandering through a forest at night. Everything looks similar, sounds the same, and claims to be the most realistic. But here's the thing, most of them are just noise. The real difference isn't in the ads. It's in how they perform when a coyote's 50 yards away and your shot depends on it.
Product number 1, Coyote Fernado Predator Game Collar Decoy Combo. This one caught my eye because it's not just a collar, it's a full setup with a fur-wrapped decoy topper and remote, all for under $90. If you want a ready-to-use system that looks and sounds convincing right out of the box, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 150-yard remote range means you can place the collar away from your position, reducing the chance of spooking wary coyotes. You get 15 professionally recorded sounds, everything from distressed rabbits to howls, and the fur wrap adds visual realism that predators notice. Plus, with up to 40 hours of battery life on just 4 AA and 1 A23 battery, you're not constantly swapping cells in the dark. It's built tough too. The durable plastic survived being tossed in my truck bed during multiple hunts. Now, some people complained about the decoy topper feeling a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, it's not meant to survive a direct hit. It's designed to twitch in the wind and catch your predator's eye from a distance. For the price and included features, it's more than solid. This is perfect for you if you're new to electronic calling or want an all-in-one solution without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're hunting in extremely windy areas. The fur can get noisy. For under $90 with a 2-year warranty, it's a smart buy.
Product number 2, Western River's Mantis 75. If the Fernado's combo setup felt like overkill, the Western River's Mantis 75 takes a simpler, more compact approach. Priced at just over $40, this handheld collar is lightweight, easy to use, and includes a remote with a 300-foot range. If you want something affordable, portable, and effective for close to mid-range calling, this one's a sleeper hit. Here's why this matters for you. The LCD backlit screen lets you adjust settings in total darkness, no fumbling with buttons. It comes preloaded with popular predator sounds, and the random repeat feature adds realism by mimicking natural animal behavior. The rubberized grips and pivoting legs let you stand it up hands-free, which is huge when you're setting up quickly before dawn, and at just over a pound, it won't weigh down your pack. Now, some people complained about the sound quality not being as crisp as higher-end models. Here's the thing though, for under $45, you're not getting studio-grade audio, but you are getting clear, loud enough calls that'll pull in foxes and coyotes within 100 yards. It's not for long-range precision, but for the price, it's impressive. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget or hunting smaller predators like foxes and raccoons. Skip this one if you need ultra-realistic, layered sounds or plan on calling in open terrain. For the value, it's hard to beat.
Product number 3, Primo's Still Cottontail Call. That was a solid electronic option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for old-school hunters, the Primo's Still Cottontail Rabbit Call. At just $13, this little green hand call is deceptively simple. If you want a reliable, no batteries needed tool that mimics a dying rabbit, this is a must-have in your pack. Here's why this matters for you. Distressed rabbit sounds are one of the most effective calls for drawing in coyotes and foxes. This call reproduces that high-pitched scream with just your breath. Vary the air pressure to go from a faint squeal to a full-blown panic cry. It's hands-free when used with the included lanyard, and because it's mechanical, it never dies mid-hunt. Hunters swear by it for close-range setups where stealth matters. Now, some people complained that it takes practice to get consistent sounds. Here's the thing though, every mechanical call requires skill. Once you get the hang of it, it's louder and more natural than many cheap electronic versions. Plus, it's silent when not in use. No accidental beeps or battery drain. This is perfect for you if you prefer manual calls or want a backup that never fails. Skip this one if you're not willing to practice or need long-range volume. For $13, it's a no-brainer add-on.
Product number 4, Coyote 300 Plus Predator Call. If you're serious about long-range calling and want to stay hidden, the Coyote 300 Plus steps up. At $120, it's pricier, but the 300-yard remote range is a game changer. If you hunt open fields or wide canyons where distance is critical, this one's built for that. Here's why this matters for you. The extended range means you can place the collar far from your blind, reducing human scent and movement. It plays 15 professional sounds with new high-fidelity audio, and you can layer 2 sounds at once, like a rabbit distress with a distant howl to trigger curiosity. The backlit remote is a lifesaver at night, and the decoy port lets you add movement later. Battery life is solid, and the build feels rugged. Now, some people complained about the remote being a bit bulky. Here's the thing though, it's packed with features, so size is expected. If you're not using the decoy port or dual sounds, you might not need all that, but for serious hunters, it's worth it. This is perfect for you if you hunt large properties or need maximum concealment. Skip this one if you're mostly in dense woods where 150 yards is plenty. For the performance, it's a strong contender.
Product number 5, ICOTEC 320 Plus Call Decoy Combo. The ICOTEC 320 Plus Predator Call Decoy Combo. At $190, it's the most advanced on this list, and it shows. With a 300-yard remote, Bluetooth control up to 100 yards, and an included AD400 decoy with 2 prey toppers, this is a full predator attraction system. If you want the ultimate setup that combines sound, motion, and range, this is it. Here's why this matters for you. The crystal clear audio and ability to play 30 professional calls, including simultaneous sounds, make it incredibly realistic. The decoy moves with adjustable speed, mimicking a wounded animal, which pulls in curious predators from far away. The Bluetooth feature lets you control everything from your phone, reducing movement. It's built like a tank and designed for serious hunters. Now, some people complained about the price and complexity. Here's the thing though, this isn't for casual weekend hunters. If you're investing time and gas into remote locations, the combo of sound and motion can be the difference between a blank night and a successful hunt. This is perfect for you if you're a dedicated predator hunter with the budget to match. Skip this one if you're just starting out or hunt close range. For the tech and performance, it's top tier.
So which one should you grab? The Primos Cottontail if you want cheap and reliable. The Western Rivers Mantis 75 for budget electronic calling. The ICOTEC Formato for a solid combo under $90. The ICOTEC 300 Plus if range is your priority. And the 320 Plus if you want the full package. Each has its place. Pick based on your terrain, budget, and how serious you are about calling in predators.